Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing that US market has ended yesterday quite positive, whereas today morning Asian markets are mixed. Uh, we are seeing some negative tick in the Asian market and few are the positive as well. Yesterday, positiveness came from the Canadian government has taken back its digital tax, wherein on Friday, US said that all the negotiations with Canada will discontinue if they implement digital tax, and Canada has to take back its digital tax. And also, US has indicated that the progress on negotiation with quite a few countries are on and are likely to come in near futures. Uh, Whereas commodities are seeing a bit negative tone today, though aluminum and copper are more or less flat, but iron ore has seen 1% decline, and steel is also down by 0.5%. Oil is also coming off by around $1 as there is a OPEC meeting, and the expectation is that OPEC may increase the production. So overall, seems like more of a sideway market. We had already seen yesterday some corrections against most of the Asian market were up. Today, what we see that the uh, market is likely to remain more of a range bound. Now, request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. Yesterday, it was a very dull day on the Nifty as well on the Bank Nifty front. We got a flat closing, but Nifty somehow manages to hold the level of 25,500 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Now going ahead, the immediate resistance is placed at around 25,600. Any more above that level will see the extension of this positive rally towards 25,670 to 25,740 levels. Whereas on the downside, the support is placed at around 25,440, 25,370 levels. The positive view, it's still intact as long as Nifty stays above 25,200 levels. That is the levels support provided by swing supports levels. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at around 57,770. Above that level, 58,240 levels can be tested on the higher side, whereas the support is at around 57,370, 57,140 levels. Coming towards the stock specific, Cummins India really looks positive on the technical front. Weekly chart shows that the stock has given the breakout of a cup and handle formations on the line charts, which gives the indications of a uptrend in the near term futures. We already initiated a buy call at around 33, 81, 82 levels. So even one can go for a long positions at the current market price, keeping a stop loss of 3310 for a target of 3520. Another interesting counter that, as we said, that the PSU banks are likely to participate in this rally, which we have not seen in the last few months. JNK Bank really looks very strong. Currently, the counter is trading at 115 levels. We are looking for a target of 124 because the counter is really trading in the formations of upward rising channel after making a rounding bottom formations, which gives a clear cut indications of a uptrend. Short term targets is 125 levels. You can go for a long positions at the CMP by keeping the strict stop loss for 112 rupees. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that in yesterday's session, from upside level, there was some sort of profit booking being witnessed, but on the downside, still we are seeing that on the monthly basis, put writer positions are holding strongly. The support for the Nifty future into today's session will be 25,500, and on the spot basis, 25,400 will be the immediate support base for the Nifty. Currently, in yesterday's session, the selling which we have seen from the upside level, due to which there was some sort of Colorado positions being added on between the range of 25,600 to 25,800 level. Once again, Nifty manages to go about 25,800 level, and again buying will be witnessed. In today's first half of trading session, we will witness some sort of a range bound momentum in the market. But as per stock and sector specific front, the market wide position seems to be in the positive front, and we expect the buying trend to be continued on the market wide front. So currently on the index specific front, there might be some sort of range bound momentum, but on the stock specific front, the momentum will be continued on the bias front. Currently, in yesterday's session, India VIX came up by around 3%, so that is not much of the moment on the upside front. If India VIX goes over 14.5 level, then only at that point of time there will be some volatility. But till the time it's not going above 14.5 level, till that point of time stability will be there in the market. And the stock specific and sector specific front counter that looks positive into this session will be RBL Bank, Angel One, Muscat looks positive. While on the negative front, Amber 361 and PGEL looks negative. So that's it from better front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the IPO front, Ellenberry Industrial Gases is listing today. We have given subscribe rating with the long-term view. The issue size is of rupees 853 crore with the price band at upper end is set at rupees 400. The post listing, the market cap is expected at rupees 500 and 600 crore based on the upper price band. Ellenberry Industrial Gases is a key manufacturer of industrial and medical gases. It mainly caters to the large industries such as steel, pharma, healthcare, infra, etc. It serves its clients with the diverse products through different supply methods such as on-site, bulk, and the package deliveries. It enjoys a leadership position in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, and operates 9 facilities across India. It also provides the turnkey solutions for the air separation units and the medical gas pipeline systems. So on the financial performance between FY23 and FY25, the company is estimated to have delivered strong growth, and the revenue has grown by around 23% in terms of revenue, and PAT has increased by around 72%. This reflects the operating leverage and the rising demand from the core industries. Out of the total issue of 853 crore, the fresh issue consists of 400 crore, of which around 210 crore will be utilized for the repayment of debt, and 104 crore to set up an air separation unit at Uliberia second plant. The issue is valued at around 68 times to FY25 P, which appears reasonable when compared to the Linde India. Given the sector's tailwinds and EIGL's expansion strategy and expected improvement in the utilization and the margins, we believe the company is well positioned for the long-term growth. Thus, we recommended subscribe with the long-term investment outlook. The issue has observed the strong support from the qualified institutional buyers and the non-institutional investors. Overall, it got subscribed over 22 times, and the street is expecting listing gains in the range of 12 to 15%. Thank you.
Good morning. A few business updates from NBFCs. Iradda's loan book grew by 5% sequentially and 27% year on year. So loan sanction came at 11,740 crores, declined by 29% quarter on quarter, and grew by 29% year on year. The disbursement declined by minus 46% quarter on quarter and grew by 31% year on year. So overall outlook for Iradda is neutral. And HUDCO's loan sanction came at 33,904 crores, declined by 5% sequentially and grew by 140.5% year on year. Loan disbursement grew by 55% sequentially and 1.5% year on year. So we are neutral for the stock. Thank you.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Good morning. Auto sales volume expectations for June month are out. The industry showed mixed trend. Two-wheelers and tractors saw good growth due to strong rural demand and the marriage season. However, passenger and commercial vehicle faced slower momentum due to weak consumer sentiments. In two-wheelers, like TVS and Eicher Royal Enfield lead in two-wheelers, while Mahindra perform well in both PV and tractors. We'll provide more details after today's actual numbers. Thank you.
Yeah, Gabriel has announced the plan for merger of their group companies, wherein they have two, three subsidiaries in group company, which will be merged into the Gabriel or will be made subsidiary of the Gabriel India. So overall, the transaction looks quite positive for Gabriel India, wherein the overall PAT will increase by all from around uh, two. The valuations of the group company has been made at 8 times EV by EBITDA, and PAT will increase. Pro forma PAT for FY25 will increase from 212 crore to straight 394 crore, and the dilution is comparatively lesser. And this will increase the EPS from 14.75 to 22 for Gabriel India. So outlook for Gabriel India is quite positive in today's trade. Diffusion Engineering has received order of around 48 crore for the press grinding roll products, and that will be supplied over a period of 11 months. Looking at the size of the company with revenue of around 325 crores, 48 crore revenue order book looks good. Company had in the last quarter announced order book of around 100 crores. So there is a substantial increase in order book that is positive for Diffusion Engineering. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, gold can witness a pullback. One can initiate a buy around 96,200 with a stop loss of 95 950. On upside again, 96 600 700 are the levels where one can take profits. Similarly, silver, one can initiate a buy on dips 1 lakh 5,500 and maintain a stop loss of 1 lakh 4,000. On upside, 1 lakh 7,000 7,500 are some resistance zone where we expect profit taking. And in metals, copper one can buy on dips around 891 with a strict stop loss of 887. And on upside again 895 898 is the one should take profits. In zinc, we are witnessing a sideways momentum. 255 to 260 is the range. So one can trade within this range. One can buy on dips zinc around 256 with a stop loss of 254. And in crude oil, all in all, there is a consolidation, and we expect prices to trade in the range of 5,700 to 5,500. So buying on dips around 5,500 is recommended. However, on upside again, 5,700 one can above profits. Also for trading purpose, one can sell. And in natural gas, yesterday witnessed a correction, and so there could be a pullback till 300, whereby one can initiate a sell and maintain a stop loss of 310. On downside, 290, 285 are the area where support is held. So one can take profits around 290, 285 levels. That's it from us. Thank you very much.